Welcome to Daily Fix Guide, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to check what email you used for Roblox. So first of all, you would like to be logged in into an account, whether you are on your phone or you are on your PC or even you download the application. So what you'll have to do next is simply go and click on the gear icon at the top right corner. Here is it. Once you click on it, you'll be able to go and click on settings. If you are on the other option, you might find settings example on the left menu. On the app, as an example, on PC, on the phone, it might be a little bit different, but all you need to do is just go and access settings. Once you access settings, as an example, below the account info, you should find here the account info and email address. As you can see, this is my email address, but as you can see, I will not be able to see it. It's like, I don't know which email at the moment, because maybe I have multiple email and I sign in with one of them, and maybe 3 of them starts with the letter B. So how can I know which one? So there is no direct option, as example, to see it exactly. But here is the trick. Of course, you'll be able to change your email, but we don't care about that, as we said. So as an example, you have multiple emails that start with B. And what you'll have to do is simply go to your Gmail or go to your email provider, which is in my case, Gmail. So as an example, I'm just going to the only email that I have that starts with B. As an example, for me, if you have, or for you, if you have multiple emails, all you need to do, just go and look for every one of them, because you don't have an option to unmask this. So what you'll have to do is simply go to search email and look for Roblox. If you find any emails from Roblox, as you can see right here for me, that means I use this email to sign up for this specific account. You can go and try other ones, and normally you shouldn't find them unless you use them in other accounts in Roblox as well. So that's how you can see basically the email you used for Roblox in 2025. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.